Sake Journey with Kikizakeshi.
Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how sake is made clearly and simply so you can understand the entire brewing process with confidence. Why sake is unique? Sake is different from beer and wine because of a special method called multiple parallel fermentation. Beer converts starch into sugar first, and then begin fermentation step by step. Wine ferments sugar directly from grapes, but sake performs both transformation at the same time thanks to Koji and yeast working together. This creates a clean, elegant flavor and relatively high ABV, alcohol by volume, usually around 14 to 17%. Step 1. Rice preparation. We begin with rice polishing, washing, soaking, and steaming. Polishing removes fats and proteins to create a cleaner flavor, and proper steaming makes the rice ideal for koji production and fermentation. Step 2. Koji making. Next is koji. Steamed rice is mixed with koji mold, which converts the rice starch into sugar. The koji room is kept warm and humid under careful control. Koji is often called the heart of sake because the enzymes it produces create sweetness, aroma, and depth. Step 3. Yeast starter, Shubo. Shubo, or the yeast starter, is made from koji rice, steamed rice, water, and yeast. This creates a strong yeast population, controls acidity, and protects the fermentation. It works in a similar way to a mother starter in bread. Step 4. Main fermentation, Moromi. In the main fermentation called Moromi, multiple parallel fermentation takes place. Koji continues convert rice starch into glucose, and yeast transforms that glucose into alcohol. Because both reactions happen at the same time, the fermentation is slow and kept at a low temperature to achieve a clean, elegant profile. Step 5. Pressing and filtration. After fermentation is complete, the mixture is pressed to separate liquid and solids. Then it may be filtered, pasteurized, matured, and finally bottled. This step defines clarity, stability, and the final texture of the sake. Final style adjustments. Before bottling, the brewer makes several choices, whether to add a small amount of distilled alcohol, which is common in ginjo style, or to keep it pure as junmai. They also decide on maturation and adjust the sake to about 14 to 16% alcohol by adding water. Sake is the result of rice, water, koji, yeast, and craftsmanship. The journey goes from rice to koji to shubo to moromi and finally to pressing and bottling. If you enjoyed this video, don't miss the next one. What makes sake unique? See you there.